Affirmations for weight loss. Here are a few affirmations that you can use to help support your weight loss journey. I am worthy and deserving of a healthy and fit body. I have the power and control to make healthy choices for myself. I'm committed to taking care of my body and treating it with respect. I release any negative thoughts or beliefs about my body and embrace self-love and acceptance. I am capable and strong, and I can achieve my weight loss goals. I choose to nourish my body with healthy, whole foods. I am grateful for the progress I have made and the positive changes in my body. I am worthy of reaching my ideal weight and living a healthy, balanced life. It's important to remember that affirmations are just one tool that can help support your weight loss journey. They can be a helpful way to reframe your thoughts and beliefs, but they should be used in combination with other healthy habits, such as a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Here are a few tips that may help you lose weight. Eat a healthy, balanced diet. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your meals. Avoid sugary drinks and snacks, and try to limit your intake of processed and high-fat foods. Get regular physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise. You can also mix and match, doing some moderate intensity workouts and some vigorous intensity workouts. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain and other health problems. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later on, so it's important to eat regularly throughout the day. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. It can help you feel full and may also help boost your metabolism. Be patient. Weight loss takes time and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Stay focused on your goals and keep making healthy choices. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give my channel a follow for more great content in the future. Thanks for watching.